Assalamualaikum minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome back to our channel Halal Food in Japan. Today we are standing right outside Siddiq Palace, which is very famous restaurant in Japan. They have a lot of chains in Japan, and this restaurant is near to Kojimachi Station and Yotsuya Station. It's just right behind Sophia University, so it's very easy to come here. So let's see what we can have today. This is such a big restaurant. The interior of this restaurant is quite amazing. Any kind of occasions can be held here, like birthday parties, wedding parties, and much more. For such occasion, they offer this huge place which is a little higher and can be made as a stage. Their lunch menu starts from only 950 yen, which is quite affordable. Their menu includes many good dishes. There are sets, there are courses, they have many types of salad, and they serve many kinds of kebabs, and they have pakoras, and they have many platters as well. They have various kinds of curries in their menu, chicken, mutton, beef or vegetable, and even seafood, and many kinds of naan and bread, and some traditional dessert also. While waiting for my food, I was just enjoying the interior of this restaurant with a lot of antique pieces. Today we are at Siddiq Palace, Kojimachi Yotsuya, and we are here to try their famous biryani of Pakistan, which is known as Lahori biryani. And we also ordered some cheese naan and samosa chaat. As you can see, it's so tempting that I cannot wait to try it first, other than I ordered. So let's start with the samosa chaat first. It's so nice. The yogurt, the onion, it's a perfect combination of samosa and chaat. I tried it first time in Japan, and this is very unique. I have been to many restaurants, Pakistani restaurants, but this chaat is very delicious, and only Siddiq Palace serves samosa chaat, which is very different and unique, and they serve in their Kojimachi branch plus other branches as well. If you feel like eating spicy food, then you must visit Siddiq Palace and their other branches, because they serve really good and spicy food. I really love the food, and it's too much spicy. And arigatou gozaimasu. And this is our special cheese naan, which is served very hot. Let's see. Wow, so cheesy. Look at the cheese melting. The naan is overloaded with cheese, a lot of cheese, I must say. This type of naan I have eaten before, but not like this. It's loaded with a lot of cheese. Usually people just put a small amount of cheese inside naan, but this is too much cheesy. This is their famous Lahori biryani. So let's eat it. The chicken is well cooked, and they have garnished it with ginger and some tomatoes and some coriander and see, it looks so amazing. So let's start eating it. Wow, it is actually Lahori biryani. The aroma and the taste is truly from Pakistan. It's a perfect combination of traditional biryani that you can only get in a Siddiq Palace. First it was, of course, you can experience in Pakistan only, but now it's here in Japan. So I must recommend, come here and just try this special Lahori biryani. Okay, this raita is served with the biryani. Look at this, it's so amazing. And those who want to enjoy raita among with biryani, they can just simply mix raita with biryani like this and they can enjoy. Wow, it's amazing with the raita also. If you feel that the biryani is little spicy for you, then you can add the raita and mix it together, and so that it will help you to decrease the level of spice. Let's have a few words with the CEO of Siddiq Group of Restaurants. Here is Mr. Ramzan Siddiq. So, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Thank you so much for having us today over here.
Welcome.
We need to ask few questions about related to halal things. So our first question is, since how long you are serving halal food in Japan?
We are serving last 23 years.
Wow,
Yeah,
that's
100% halal food.
100% halal food. So how many restaurants do you have here in Japan?
Before we have a very big chain of restaurants, but now we have only 10 restaurants. We promote like Pakistani food right now.
Okay,
And
because
also
you are from Pakistan.
Yes, yes.
Okay, and what is the future you see in the field of halal food in Japan?
Yeah, future is very bright, and then I think we do our specialty. You know, if you have a restaurant, then do yourself, your own country food or your own specialty, not your copy from others. And we are doing, trying hard. Before we have a lot of restaurants, Indian and Pakistani restaurants.
Okay.
And last 3 years, we're trying to move to, because I'm from Pakistan and I won't be a Pakistani. And then we are already in 10 out of 10, like 7 restaurants, is 100% Pakistani restaurant. And other 3 restaurants, hopefully, inshallah, very soon, we change our brand name and then, what do you say, signboard.
Okay.
And then we try to promote only Pakistani food. Let's know you have halwa, nihari, and sikh kebab, and naan.
That's 100% halal.
Yeah, 100%.
As your staff is also Muslim.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Also, we have many Pakistani Indian, lot of Pakistani Indian Muslim staff.
Okay. So, what can be the betterment for the future in halal food or serving halal food?
I repeat again, do your best.
Yeah.
And don't copy others. Make your food, even not, you don't need to like a 10 or 15 curry or 10 or 15 food. Only 3 or 2 is okay, but good one. And then confidence yourself. And I think, I heard from my seniors too, if you bake food with your feet, food automatically is good.
That's true.
That's one. And also, the Japanese government promoting last 3-4 years because of Olympics. Then maybe I suggest to other friends and colleagues, who's taking a lot of benefits from government too. And also, halal is not only for Muslim now. Also, Japanese customer love to eat halal, and then they want to know that what's the halal.
That's really a good thing, and thank you so much once again. And can you say a few words in the end? What is your message to the Muslims out there?
Oh, in
Japanese, yes.
Okay. 皆様、こんにちは。アスラムアレイコン。私たちはね、レストランは全部東京のすごいいいところで、例えばここ半蔵門なんですけども、今いるところは半蔵門バランって言ってるけど、永田町からも近い、半蔵門から近い、浅草六本木からも近い、次がその近くに四谷麹町ソフィアユニバーシティの真裏なんですね。 あと西新宿の大川のくぐったところ2階にあって、また秋葉原にある、あと神保町にある、あと日本橋水天前の駅出口のところがあるんですよね。神保町とか水天はもう駅から30秒ぐらいのところですね。あとこの間オープンした先月は東京ニュースセンター TRC、 それはもう本当に評判良くて今ランチがすごい混んでます。あと木更津にこうフードコートの中にそこで、バーガーとかピザ、あとタピオカとかね、それも出してるんですよ。全部ハラールです。バーガーとピザもハラールです。あとタイとベトナム料理もやってます。であとオンラインのシャワーもありますので、ぜひこれは、お店に来て食べてください。今コロナとか出れる時にオンラインでも注文できますので、どうぞよろしくお願いします。ありがとうございます。
Thank you so much and thank you for watching. We will share all the restaurants and the link in the description down below, and do visit their restaurants as well, as they serve 100% halal food. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tasmina. Thank you very much.
So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel, and do come and visit Siddiq Palace. It's a very nice Pakistani and 100% halal restaurant. And sayonara until next time.